everybody, this is Tina from Happy Mail, and this is what I like to see. It's my son and my husband. They're blacksmithing today together. Spending some quality time.
No, we're putzing. We ain't blacksmithing. We don't know enough about it yet.
Okay, they're putzing. See, they are
Ready
my...
to hammer ahead?
See, they belong to me because I'm a putzer. Y'all know that. Let's see what they're doing here. This is Xavier pounding. It's nice seeing my men in my life working together as a team. We're very impressed. This is not my kind of putzing. This is yours and Xavier's kind of putzing.
I got earplugs in. I couldn't hear you.
This is not my kind of putzing. This is your and Xavier's putzing. Mine are usually revolves around dyes, washi tape, paper, and YouTube.
Maybe we should have got a good bit of clothes going first.
Because I'm in the house doing dishes, they're out putzing. I don't think that's fair.
I had holes in there though. This stuff is dry.
Now I got Xavier's butt in the way. So explain to me what you're trying to do. But why are you putzing on that?
Why not? Because we can.
And you're just kind of practicing?
I guess you could say that.
That makes sense. Nice thing.
How am I using that? I know exactly what you should be using.
Yeah, get your stuff we buy you.
Yeah, trust me. My keys are hanging up there with the poker. Yeah.
Look, that's my man. It's my husband and my son. Have to talk to you later. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.